parking by permit only. That's Campus Enforcement Police. So they have done a pretty good job throughout the night to move the snow from the roads so that at least cars can have a free movement. But look at these mountains of snow. Now I'll show you the funny part. It's like walking through a gorge. Beautiful valley, isn't it? Now let's take a look behind. The high mountains of Montana. I don't know if that's Himalayas now. So university is closed, of course. That was me on a walk from home to university to bring some lunch. Pretty late lunch, I would say. But then nothing is on time. Other than snow, which arrived pretty much as we expected.